Let's continue our discussion of market structures. This lesson develops rules economists think govern behavior regardless of the market structure in which a firm operates. Economists typically begin their analysis of firm behavior by assuming that firms maximize profit. They begin their analysis of how firms behave by assuming that firms maximize profit for 4 reasons. First, the assumption is logical. The assumption is logical because owners have an incentive to maximize profit. Owners receive profit as income, dividends, or retained earnings. Since the owners receive it, they would like to maximize it. Moreover, owners have, at least in theory, the ability to dictate the actions of the firm. Since owners can dictate the actions of the firm and have an incentive to maximize profit, we begin by assuming that the firm maximizes profit. The second reason we use this assumption is that it leads to accurate predictions. Economists don't really believe that all firms everywhere are always maximizing profit. They do believe that they can predict the responses of firms to changes in the environment by assuming that firms do in fact maximize profit. For example, we predict that a firm will increase price and quantity when the demand it faces increases because that is what a profit-maximizing firm would do. Empirical evidence confirms that firms do in fact typically increase price and quantity when the demand it faces increases. The third reason we assume firms maximize profit is that the analysis identifies how owners can identify whether or not the firm is in fact maximizing profit. And the fourth reason is the analysis identifies changes owners can implement to increase profit when they learn that the firm is not maximizing profit. The assumption that firms maximize profit implies that they increase output whenever marginal revenue is greater than marginal cost. Marginal revenue is the extra revenue the firm receives when it sells another unit of output, and marginal cost is the extra cost the firm pays when it sells another unit. Since profit is the difference between the total revenue and total cost, profit increases when the extra revenue is greater than the extra cost, and profit decreases when the extra revenue is less than the extra cost. Let's work a simple example. The table contains the total cost and total revenue for a firm as output increases from 5 to 7. The column for marginal revenue shows that total revenue increases by $20 when output increases from 5 to 6, and by $5 when output increases from 6 to 7. The column for marginal cost shows that the total cost increases by 15 when output increases from 5 to 6, and when output increases from 6 to 7. We can use this information to quickly determine that the firm maximizes profit when output equals 6. When output increases from 5 to 6, marginal revenue is $5 higher than marginal cost. Therefore, profit when output is equal to 6 is $5 higher than when output is equal to 5. When output increases from 6 to 7, marginal cost is $10 higher than marginal revenue. Therefore, profit when output is equal to 6 is $10 higher than when output is equal to 7. We confirm that output equals 6 maximizes profit when we calculate profit for each row. Profit increases from $30 to $35 and then decreases to $25 as output increases from 5 to 6 to 7. If you want to know whether or not a firm is maximizing profit and what to do if it is not, compare marginal cost and marginal revenue.